Hi everyone, good morning. Ang parents sa ngayon, ang directions nila, ang meaning ng parents, parenting sa kanila is provision. Yun yung parenting para sa kanila. Our job as a parents is we produce or we build our child as a great person than we are as a parent. The greatness of people is not all about the material things it's all about comes from the heart. And we're talking about the behavior and the attitude of a person. We are speaking directly the attitude and the character of a leader in us not to tolerate our kids. So, may mga spoiled na bata, may mga spoiled na anak. It's because kung paano makipag-counteract sa anak sa bahay. Kaya may mga bata na bully sa school, merong spoiled because ano yung toleration. Natotolerate. It's because they tolerate their kids' behavior in their house. Yun yung natututunan nila or how they interact with their parents. Kasi ang real interactions happen sa bahay. That's why it's our job as parents na i-build yung child natin greater as we are. Hindi lang bilang parents bilang isang leader sa buhay natin, sa bahay natin, maipamuhay natin, maipalaganap natin, ma-share natin sa anak natin kung paano ba mamuhay ng tama. Kasi pagkatao yung binibuild natin, pagkatao ng anak natin. Kung paano niya dadalhin yung pagkatao niya habang nabubuhay siya. That's why it's our job, our parents, to build what kind of character or attitudes that we want for our child. And it's our job. Do our job as a parents. Not tolerate things that is not good. Hope you learned something. Thank you everyone and God